I think Riverwalk is a unique development. It's 116 apartments on the north bank of the Thames, as opposed to where you've got all of the development on the south bank. It's in one of London's golden postcodes, SW1. The architecture, I think, is superb, from Stanton Williams, who won the Sterling Prize for Best British Architect. And I think it's a very unique riverside development. And they range from one beds at $1.25 million to this penthouse here at 25 million. I think the feedback is, if you put in the backbone of a system that can deal with their sort of music, their lighting, their temperature control, it then gives them the opportunity, if they want then to sort of take that on to the next level with all of the other add-on features that they can do.
Using the Crestron app, all the systems are integrated together, so they can control the audio-visual, their music, TVs, lighting, so all the scene setting and the lighting within each of the rooms. They can control their heating, so it's integrated into the heating cooling system. The concierge side of the system allows the concierge to communicate with the apartments rather than going through a separate phone system. Again, what we're doing is integrating all the technology into one space. People are used to using their iPhones and iPads, apps, that sort of thing these days. So it becomes sort of second nature. They walk in, oh, it's a touch panel, they press the button, it says TV, or it says lights, or it says music. And within a few minutes of showing them how it works, they're savvy with it and quite happy to use it. What the client's interested in is that they press the button and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. And that's what's important for us. We've worked with Crestron for about 15 years now. Quite early on, Crestron started to develop products specifically for the residential market. They now have thousands of products in their range, which gives us as a business, when we're designing solutions, lots of flexibility in what we can do.
Well, we've worked with them. We're very open-minded to whoever's in the marketplace, and I think we like to work with an established team of people who understand what we want out of a development, and people that we know that we can rely on to deliver that.
There is no real limit on it. It's just really how far the owner wants to take control.